the Cummins. We're going to be doing a little bit of fab work with it. I have an old coolant overflow tank that I bought probably a few years ago, and it's just not, I don't have all the mounts for it. I don't have everything that I need, so I got to make something up, make something work. So I got an old little mount here from, I think, intercooler piping from the 240. So we're just gonna do something like this. I'm going to stick it in the engine bay here somewhere. So first thing that I was working with, I wasn't really digging it. I just had like a clamp stuck around this. There's a little mount down there. Just wasn't digging how it was looking, and just all the above. So I think we'll take this, get this chopped off, grind, sand a little bit of this powder coat off. Oops. And then just kind of weld the radius, a little bead right on top. Try not to mess up powder coat too bad. If I do, I will get it redone. And then yeah, so as you can tell, it's already scratched up anyway, so I might as well, because I messed it up with the clamp and just trying to find a spot to make it work. So we're gonna do this, do it the right way, make it decent. I don't think it matters that the thing is on the bottom, but we're gonna send it like usual. The little spot I think I'm gonna go with, since this has this here, I deleted the other battery over here. Usually another stock battery tray would go right here, and then take up all this room. Of course, a wheel well goes in here, also a plastic liner. But I'm gonna do this, and then that little overflow can will just sit nice and tucked back over here, and I can run the tube over, and we won't have any problems. You can keep it tucked away over on the side, run it right over. It won't look like a tube just running down the middle. Guesstimating here. Put a little angle on it. That'll be fine. Yeah. Alright, so we'll go to the bandsaw and cut that. Nice, I made it straight. That's actually what I wanted. That's what we're looking for, towards the rail here a little bit, so it'll be like that. Just keep working it till you find that sweet spot. I'm gonna eyeball it because it doesn't need to be perfect. Right there, we're going with that. All right. Almost out of gas, so let's hopefully not run out. Ooh, that sucker's hot. Whoa. Alright, so I'm going to let this cool down just a little bit. As you can tell, I got it welded up. It turned out pretty good for how dirty it was and just everything being powder coated and whatnot. So bear with me and I'll be installing it in the truck. Alright, cooled down for the most part. So grab this, grab this. Sits in there nice. That there. Yeah, I like that a lot more. Just tilt it back a little bit. I'm gonna grab a wrench and tighten up that hole. Okay, side note, please send me your remedies for crap like this, because I don't really like the plastic sticking things, but if there's a company that makes ones that are decent, that actually don't like slide all over in your box and like this and that. I do have a lot of random tools. I'm trying to get new kits and stuff, but just throw it in the comments below, guys. I love hearing that type of stuff. I'm all for tools. I have a ton of tools that you never have seen. So let's go back to this here. See, that was the only problem I came up with, was I couldn't get the impact all the way in there without an extension, which is really no big deal. So there we go, guys. Just a quick, simple little fix to my problem that I was having with sticking my catch can in here and making it look clean. I just kind of worked with what I had. I ordered this thing, sorry, not catch can, Coolant Overflow, saved myself there. I ordered this years ago and just wanted to make it work. I should be back here using this brake, but I just want to get this project done and out of the way. So really, if you guys are wanting, I should be making some videos on how to use this thing and what you can make on it. So throw it in the comments if you'd like to see that too. Just overall, I want to see some more quality stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to be moving this over to the side, getting it out of the way with some clips, kind of like this one here. I have some on order. But other than that, that's really it for this video. Just a quick little show you how I got stuff done with using what I had laying around. So if you guys want to see more on the Cummins, if you want to see more on just some little fab work, running around, getting stuff done, let me know. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe. Peace out.